In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone a co-host on a Zoom meeting. If you're new to hosting meetings on Zoom or simply looking to share responsibilities with someone else, giving a participant co-host privileges is an excellent option. Having a co-host can help manage participants, share content, and even record the session, allowing you to focus more on the discussion. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First things first, you'll need to start the Zoom meeting as the host. This is the person who creates and schedules the meeting, and only they have the authority to designate a co-host. So make sure you've logged into your Zoom account and have started the meeting as the host. Once the meeting is It's worth mentioning that you should choose someone who is comfortable with the additional controls and responsibilities that come with being a co-host. Now, click on the More button next to the participant's name. This button reveals a drop-down menu with several options regarding participant management. It's easy to overlook this step, but it's a pivotal move that leads you directly to the final action. Select the option labeled Make Co-host. After clicking this, Zoom will prompt a confirmation, and once confirmed, the participant will receive co-host privileges. It's essential to confirm that they've now been granted additional permissions, such as the ability to mute others, record the meeting, and manage breakout rooms if you have them enabled. And there you have it, the participant is now a co-host. They should immediately notice changes in their Zoom interface, with more control options available for them to assist you during the meeting. This role is handy if you need someone to help manage a large group, handle technical issues, or simply share the workload. So whether you're hosting a webinar, a team meeting, or a virtual event, knowing how to assign a co-host can greatly enhance how smoothly your meeting runs. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps make your Zoom meetings more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on seamlessly navigating video conferencing tools.